souls. I hope you all are doing great. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you have any topics, any suggestions in mind which you want me to make videos on, do let me know and I shall definitely make one on that topic. Coming to today's video, as it is month end, I'm here with another regression case study. It is about the inner child healing of Gaurav. He came to me with issues of stress and extreme anxiety right before exams or interviews, leading to his fall in performance. He took a tarot reading from me for the solution, which came to be a blend of past life and other inner child issues. Most preferable guidance was of past life regression therapy, but as it was not possible for him to go with this option at that time, we decided to go with the second most preferable one, that is his inner child healing. Before we proceed further, if you do not know what inner child is and why its healing is essential to improve every aspect of your life, watch my previous video on inner child for clarity. I will be giving its link in the pinned comment below. Now, coming back to this therapy. I advised him few exercises to prepare himself for the therapy, as this is done by guiding the person to significant events in past and exploring their different versions through hypnotherapy. Also, I conducted a small pre-talk where I understood his patterns, inner child archetypes and lot more stuffs necessary for a successful therapy. The therapy begins. Gaurav, I see an old abandoned house. No one goes there. But there is a kid in there, scared, crying, and he's alone. I asked, male or a female? And what's the age, Gaurav? Male, probably 8 to 9 years old. Okay, go near him and ask why is he there and what's happening. Gaurav, his features resemble mine. Looks like younger version of mine, but for some reason he doesn't want to talk to me. He says he doesn't trust me. I made Gaurav win his trust and get to know more about him. Gaurav, he was playing and came here. He says he did not want to go there, but I did not listen to him and he ended up in trouble because of me. He suspects this is a haunted house. Me. Is it right? Gaurav. Yes, I wanted to explore the place and went there with him, but I did not find anything suspicious or haunted about it. Don't know why is he scared. I understood the situation. Gaurav in his young years heard stories of this house being haunted and so wanted to explore it. But a part of him, that is his inner child, was scared to go within. In order to prove himself as a courageous young man, he suppressed his inner child's voice and went inside. This led to disagreements between him and his inner child and resulted in a scared and hurt inner child which affected his present life whenever he decided to do something significant in life. This inner child, due to distrust, took it as a threat and went in disagreement with his important life decisions, leading to him feeling scared, confused and anxious in current life. I helped him heal his disagreements with his inner child, sent unconditional love to it and win his trust. He also promised that he'll be standing with his inner child no matter what and will never leave him alone or break his trust. Now we proceeded to the next significant event. Gaurav, I'm in school, around 13 to 14 years old. I study hard but don't get satisfactory results. My parents are never satisfied with me. They scold me a lot. I feel humiliated. I give my best, but no one understands my efforts. No one understands my feelings. Even teachers don't seem so happy with me. I get criticized. I get humiliated most of the times. I feel stressed and panic on the thought of exams now. Not because of exams, but because of the reaction I get from parents and others. I just want to get rid of all these. Oh, it feels such a burden. I hate exams. I hate this pressure. I healed his teenage aspect and made him come in harmony with the whole situation. It took some time for him, and at some point I felt even his current adult self too was scared of exams, as he was resisting healing, which brought us to our next aspect, that is, his young adult self version. Next event, Gaurav. I'm in college, around 19 to 20 years old. My friend asked me to party in order to relieve exam stress. I feel guilty about it now. I wasted my time leading to low performance in exams. I know his intentions were right because I panicked before exams, but I shouldn't have agreed to him. I feel ashamed of myself. I have to work hard, but I couldn't due to pressure. Neither I can take rest or take break due to the fear of failing and the guilt I'm carrying. I released all the blocks related to guilt and made him understand the importance of taking break between study schedule, of course at the right time, in balanced amounts. Then I healed both teenage and young adult versions together and made them come in harmony and union with each other and with the situation, which was extremely important and challenging part of this healing. Worked on his subconscious mind, which had few other baggages due to experience in professional life, and finally brought in union all the different versions of him, reprogrammed his mind, anchored him to positive thoughts, experiences, and memories. So, this was Gaurav's inner child hypnotherapy, which showed how different, seemingly minor events leave a huge impact on our mind, our inner child, and other versions, which in turn affect our current life adversely. If you are dealing with any unwanted patterns, habits, beliefs, or struggle in any aspect of your life or health, maybe you have a wounded, neglected version of yourself waiting to get healed. Because these are all which come up in subconscious blocks and many a times are ignored and present. Our subconscious mind stores all the memories, all the experiences, but our conscious mind has moved on. Take care, stay blessed, till we meet again.